It's a most difficult time. It's something that must never happen nakubani na. That's why if my child is alive, wherever she is able to get some messages, be it through friends, be it through whosoever, and she still decides to stay away, knowing that emotionally we are damaged, we are going through something that you cannot just share with somebody else and understand that she knows how you feel, you know. It's something nje engenagama this. You come back home, you say, I'm going to prepare some meal. Now you know that that meal is not going to go down like the normal meal because we are not together, you know. It would be better if she was on holiday somewhere, or she had visited somebody, or she kept on sending SMSs to say, I'm afraid to come home, but I won't tell you where I am. It would be better. But now it's just quiet, blank, nothing is happening. And that's